Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to circle crop a photo in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. Wait, or open this document. Open and place. Insert it any image. Wait some moment. Then right click. Right click ellipse selection tool. Then hold shift. Create a circle. Move your circle. Create a layer mask. Right click convert to smart object and use this border the same way. Create a layer mask. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.